Hello guys, it's Creative Conquest and today I will be telling you how you can download free PowerPoint templates. So let's get started. First, if you need to download some PowerPoint templates, you need to go to Google, and I will be giving these 3 websites link in the description. First, it is the official Microsoft Office website. Second is the free PowerPoint template design. And third one is the showit.com. So first, if you want to download some from the Microsoft official web page, so here I select this one. You just simply click it, click download, and when it's downloaded, click on it, wait for it to load. It will enable it in protected view. You just need to click enable editing, and now you just can simply edit the text. It's that simple. You can also edit the subtitle, like anything. It gives you many layers and slides. You can edit them all or delete some if you want. So this was the Microsoft official website. It offers very beautiful templates. You can also move things around, but they are you need to adjust them in the frame. So this was the Microsoft website. Then the second one, let's go to the second one. Here just click on one. It offers many slides. Click on one, wait for some time, go down, then click on this, click here to download this PPT template. Wait for it to download. Once it's downloaded, then you just need to open it, and again it opens in protected view. Just click enable editing. Now edit the text. You can edit anything. You can move the text around and anything. It offers 48 slides and you can edit them all for free, and you can make them yours. So let's go to the next website, which is the showit.com. Here you just need to go to the free PowerPoint templates and select any one. Just click this one, go down, scroll down, then click this, download 1986. It will download. It will be in a zip format. You need to download WinRAR or 7-zip. After it has downloaded, just click it, open it, and if you want, this gives just 3. Like you want the first one. This is the first one, first template. You can just edit anything. Then this is a thank you page, very beautiful. This is showit.com. You can simply delete it. You can also edit anything, or else you can open the second one. Let's check the second one. This is the business card. This is pretty small business card, and that's all. You can select anything from here. This was my video. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye.